Okay, so I'm going to record this as well, this video, so I can teach you a little bit one at a time, and while I'm actually recording this video. Okay, so okay, if you look at the software, where you want to go to learn how to do whatever you want to do with this software, you see this place called tutorials and training. Okay, so if you go to click on tutorials and training inside there, that will actually tell you how to use this software. So most of the tutorials or training you want to learn how to build this, how to use this software, it's all there. So you can go tutorials, and then they have multiple software inside. Okay, they have multiple software inside. Each of the software you can choose and watch the videos on how to do whatever that you want to do. Okay, so all the videos are there already. So each of the software here, so they have multiple software, and each of the software is built into this system. So they have builders. So usually builders, we use drag and drop. Okay, the rest of the drag and drop, which allows you to create your websites. Okay, and then drag and drop pixel perfect, and then you have app creator. Now a lot of people confuse between drag and drop pixel perfect, drag and drop responsive builder, and mobile first drag and drop builder. Now you don't work. This tree actually is the same as the first one, so you don't have to bother about these two. Okay. Now, app creator is if you want to create your own app. If you can explore it, and it has a software that includes inside that allows you to create your own apps. And creating an app is just drag and drop. So you can drag and drop and create apps. Okay, this one you do on your own timing because there's videos that teach you how to do that. All right, if you ever want to create your own app. Okay, and then other than that, there is this mailing boss. Mailing boss is an autoresponder. So what an autoresponder is a software where people, when they fill up the name and email address, it goes into your email database. Okay. So in this email database, you can set it to auto send email out to people. You can, like for example, as a follow-up, you can pre-write your email. Like first day, send out which email. Second day, send out what email. Third email. So all this can be automated. That's why it's called auto respond. Okay, it responds to your customers automatically. So that's autoresponder. And there's a design there. Design Studio. So Design Studio is it allows you to do all kinds of design that you want, including designing how your ebook looks like. All you need is just a picture. You can design, and then inside here will become whatever picture you upload will be inside. All right. So so this is called the Design Studio. Okay, so inside Design Studio, you can actually create all these graphics just by inserting whatever picture you want, and you'll create a video, it'll create a picture for you with whatever that you want your website to see inside here. Okay, whatever picture you want to insert. So that gives you like comfort of credibility. It can also create books for you. So you just upload the picture, it will automatically make your picture look like it's the book cover. So everything is built in there for you already. Then if you want to create PowerPoint slide for a presentation, they also have a built-in presentation PowerPoint. You can build your PowerPoint presentation inside this software. So this software you don't need to download. It's actually online. Now most of the software right now in today's market, you don't have to actually download anymore. It's all the software all runs online. So that makes it easy for you. You don't have to download and take up space on your website on your computer. All right. So Photo Studios allows you to create editing of photos and stuff like that. Okay, so you don't even need Photoshop and all this thing really. That's all built in there. Okay, and you can create animated videos as well. Those kind of videos that has sound, and then there's a cartoon come out, then a cartoon with some word pop up, and then have you seen those animation? Yeah. In this software, it also has a built-in that. So if you go under videos, under animated videos, right? It has a software that built in that allows you to create your own animation. I mean, you take some time to play around with this lah. I mean, usually intelligent people are curious people lah. And curious is because you are curious, so therefore you learn more things, and therefore you become more intelligent. It's common sense. Okay, yeah. So this it allows you to create whatever animation you want, and it's able for you to create animation. So you have to watch the video to teach you how to do it. It's pretty simple. Okay, it allows to create a video presentation for you to promote anything. Alright. Okay, so I'm just not going to go into this in details. Now, you have floating HTML videos. This is quite interesting. You can record yourself, video of yourself with a background video, with a background of you of a single color. You can remove the color of the background, and then it will look like you are talking on your website. Alright, I have not seen much people doing it before, but it will allow you to have someone like talking on a website. Okay, so you have that creating apps is here. You want to create apps. There's other apps that you can do here. There's SEO report, alright, which will cover on that. Browser notification. Have you come across a website where there's a pop-up on top that tells you whether you want to subscribe to their notification? Yeah. So if you subscribe to the notification every time, wherever they go, as long as they're using the browser, you can send message to them when they're using their browser. So it's installed onto their browser. So this is the browser notification software built in, which by itself, each of this by itself, it costs I think easily 1 year $200, something like that for each software. So all this is all built in already. You can even have a chat, live chat bot, when people go to your website, at the bottom there's a chat bot that comes up that can auto chat for you or can initiate the person chat for you. This Facebook chat bot is also inside for you already. Yeah, then it also has the auto post function, which is like the property guru, where you post something, it will automatically post into your Facebook, post into multiple places. So it has also the auto posting, where you can schedule whatever you want to post on your Facebook, on any social media website. It can auto post for you. Yeah, your content. You can also create your own e-learning course. So if you want to sell courses and create your own course, teaching about real estate or whatever, it's here. Okay. Then script generator helps you to create, there's a lot. I mean, teach you how to help you to create sales letter. If you don't know how to write email that makes people feel like contacting you or buying anything from you, the script will help you write for you. You just have to answer a few questions only. They will auto create the email for you and sales letter. Social proof. Social proof is when people come to your website, you want to motivate people. Have you been to Agoda website before, or some hotels.com, or they'll say someone just booked. Someone just booked something. Someone just booked now. It can be fake, right? Someone just booked from this country. Someone just booked a hotel. Someone just bought something or those things. Yeah, you can actually create your own social proof here. Like if someone arrived on your real estate project, you can have this social proof where you pop up and says, someone just registered for 4th Avenue Residences viewing. You can create that. Okay? So when you arrive on a page, it looks like a lot of people are registering for it. So that is like the show flat, right? Where more people are doing something, everybody wants to follow. So you can create a kind of effect using the social proof. Okay? It's under this part here, social proof. Alright? So there's quite a lot of stuff as well. So webinar, you can create a webinar. So most of the trainings are here as well. Now, you also can make money by recommend people to use this software if you want to. Alright? So there's this thing called earnings calculator. Right? There's an earnings calculator here. Alright? If you recommend people to this software, for example, if around 1 month you recommend 12 people, so you can make about $598, and then every month you can get about $179. If you want to use this software, yeah. And then if out of your 12 people, 5 of them actually also recommend people. So it's just 2 level, and you can make about 500 plus a month, so-called, if they repeat, because it's a subscription model. So every month it pays about $49 US dollars, which is about 70 plus Sing every month. People want to continue to use all this software, which costs more by itself outside, So, and you recommend people, you also can, to use it, you also can get some income from it, right? So it has that function as well. So it's 2 level only. So first level, if anyone are registered, you get 100% commission, 100%, right? So if you subscribe for $49, someone subscribe for $49, your first one is free already, right? So second, it takes only 1 person to help you cover your cost for your first month. Then subsequent, every month after that, you only earn about 30% of whatever. So if subsequent after that, you have 4 people who use this software, that means you are using software for free. Yeah. So basically it's just like that. So it has that built-in function for you as well if you want to promote this to your colleague or whatever. Okay? Does that make sense to you? Okay, good. Okay, so now we're going to go into what I'll be covering.